because you cried. That's what happened. Hey, everybody, the Broadway series has just announced its upcoming season. I'm sure you'll still go to these, Betsy. But this is the kicker, is that the 1950s washed-up B-movie actress Ruta Lee will be starring in every single play. Ruta Lee. So here are the list of the big shows coming to Orlando. Maybe you'll recognize her. Hello, Ruta. Fiddler on the Ruta. Sunday in the Park with Ruta. Sweeney Ruta. If you know him, sing along, everybody. Oakla Ruta. That's Little Ruta in Texas. Les Miseraruta. A Streetcar Named Ruta. La Caja Ruta. Death of a Ruta. Annie Get Your Ruta. And finally, ladies and gentlemen, Long Day's Journey into Ruta.